Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from grade 6th C. Today we are going to perform a topic like renewing of science. So let's start.
So this is a winnowing tray. For separating the husk and wheat, we will first put some wheat in a tray. Because the husks are very light, so when she will blow, the husk will fly away and come here down. And the wheat are heavy, so it will be here only. The winnowing tray we have made by a leaf. These are some steps of separating the husk by weight. As you can see, some husks are here fallen down with the help of flowing of air.
Flowing of air.
Thank you, Jazakallah.
So at last I want to say that we have separated husk from wheat. So we have separated the substance from husk from wheat. Thank you, Jazakallah.
Acha, this is example of insoluble solid into liquid or solid from solid.
Solid from solid.
What was the waste particle in our mixture?
Husk.
And what do we want?
Wheat.
Wheat. Okay.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. With the student from grade 6, the second group are going to demonstrate
The process of
decantation and sedimentation. So this is the process of sedimentation. And in morning when we come to school, we have take a sand and in that we pour up water. Then after some time we have seen the sand has settled down. The sand has settled down and the water is up and is 80% clear. And now we will do the decantation. The process of removing mud from water is known as decantation.
no
So,
wait. Decantation is what? When we are pouring super nut into the new beaker.
Yes.
So that is decantation. Okay.
Yes.
Then
Then super nut is separate from mud and
this is what? Down. Which settle
Sediment.
down. This is called as sediment. And what we will
Super
take into
nut
the super nut. And now you say me, this was insoluble solid or soluble solid?
It is insoluble solid.
Yes, because it does not mix with the water. And after some time, what happened? The mud or soil, whatever it was, it settled down. Why it settled down?
because it is heavy.
Because that particles are heavy. Due to the gravity, it settled down. Now say me one more thing. When they are settling, so which particles will occupy the lowermost layer?
Which is more heavy.
Which is more heavy. Okay, very good.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are the student of grade 6. Today our process is sieving.
You are going to perform the process of sieving. Okay.
We are doing to separate solid from solid. The flour which has small particles that came down and which are in larger
The particles which are larger in size, big in size.
the particles which are larger in size they stay
Into the sieve tray, and the small particles will come down. Why? Because there is what in the sieve? Net in the net, and in net what is there? Small
holes.
pores or holes are there. Okay.
This process is called sieving, and we get the pure wheat and the big large stones come in the sieving net.
Stays into the sieving net, and the pure wheat flour come down.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are the students of grade 6C. We are group 4. Today we are going to demonstrate a topic of filtration by two examples. First example is we are having tea bag. There are insoluble and soluble particles in it. If we will add hot water in this tea bag, the soluble particle will get mixed in the water and insoluble particles will remain in the tea bag. See, that changes color.
We'll keep it like this for 2 minutes or 1 minute. Then the soluble part will come out. We can see that. You also do the same.
First example is we had a tea bag and hot water. So we keep the tea bag and add hot water. The soluble particles in the tea bag
bag mixed in the hot water and changes its color.
So whatever soluble part is there in the tea bag, it comes out of the tea bag and
Yes.
mixed with the water, dissolved in the water. And insoluble part,
Insoluble part like big particles does not mix.
it remains inside the
Yes.
tea
So
bag.
the filtration, the insoluble particle is also called as
Residue.
Residue, and the remaining particle means soluble particle which mix in a hot water is called as filtrate.
Which comes out.
Yes, which comes out.
Okay. In tea bag, what is there which is insoluble?
Tea leaves. The tea leaves are insoluble and some other spices.
The second example is to show the filtration process. For this process, we need a mixture of soil and water and another beaker. We will put a funnel in it and a filter paper. We have to make a cone and put it into a funnel. The next process is to put the water into the funnel.
Mixture of water.
Mixture of water.
Mix that mixture.
As you can see the process, we have purified the water.
Give that purified water.
So you can see, girls, the water had came down. It is still not very pure, okay, but some of the particles remain on the filter paper, and water is separated and came down. So the particles which came down, they are called as,
Filtrate.
and whatever remain on the filter paper, it is
Residue.
residue. Okay.